Some other issues I wanted to get caught up with you on. Recently, we saw that the federal government seized records and documents from the Arizona Senate related to the 2020 election. The last time I spoke to you, you didn't have any idea on what kinds of records that they had seized. Have you gotten any updates? What have you done to find out what was taken?
Well, we've run up against a brick wall with the FBI and the state Senate. We're just trying to clarify one very important thing, right? We're not worried too much about the ballot images or the cast vote record. All of that evidence has been thoroughly compromised by the cyber ninjas in the first place, and the state Senate taking those records from certified elections officials back in 2021. So we're not worried about that stuff. What I'm worried about is the potential for our address confidentiality protected voters. I'm worried about judges, firefighters, police officers who have protected addresses, and the personal identifying information of other voters. That one little corner is what we're trying to clarify, whether or not it was part of what the Senate president turned over. And if he did turn over unredacted records, that could be a significant legal problem for him and anybody involved in that process. So we just want clarity on that one piece, and we are still talking with the Attorney General's office about our options on how to clarify that one question, because we still want to protect voters' information, regardless of what's happening in some criminal investigation or some other thing. We want to have, at the very least, A, knowledge of what exactly information they took, and B, how we can protect the voters, because that stuff contains day and month of birth, social security numbers, mother's maiden names, and that just doesn't need to be out there willy-nilly. We've got to protect it. I have a duty under law to do that, and we want to follow the law. Well,